Best Shopify apps for delivery. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will discuss 4 of the best apps out there that is going to help you set up delivery and pickups with Shopify. This could be for date picker for when it comes to delivery or pickup, so people can actually go ahead and set up an exact date where they want it to be delivered or even picked up. And also more things about delivery overall. So I have 4 of the best apps out there that based on my research and testing, and I'm going to showcase them to you and read more details about them for you, and then you get to decide which one is going to suit you best with a table at the end, which is just going to give you highlights and pricing points for each one of them. So to get started, all of these apps are going to be installed via the marketplace or the online store for Shopify, meaning Shopify store basically. And to access that, you need to go to your Shopify admin. And then from there, you can just click on apps from the bottom left, click on all recommended apps, and then just click on Shopify app store, which is just going to open it up here for you. And all you need to do now is just follow along, see which one is going to suit you best, and basically search for it by name. And you should be able to find it real easy. Starting with pickup delivery date pick easy. This is going to be the first app of the day. And like I said, there are going to be 4 different ones, including this one. So first, before we jump into anything, we're going to do a process here, which is very important, and you should do it for the rest of the apps, including this one, which is just going to be verifying that this app is the same one as I have here on my screen, because sometimes you are going to find apps that are lookalikes for this one, trying to mimic this one, and it could be not a proper app. So make sure you have the right one. And to find out whether it's the right one or not, there are going to be 2 things. First, the rating, and be assured that all the apps that I'm going to provide you have high ratings. And the second thing is going to be the developer here. So make sure it's the same developer as I have for this app and the other apps that I have. So this one, pickup delivery date pick easy, is going to obviously allow you to set up pick dates when it comes to delivery and pickup and make things easier for your customers. So we can actually read more about it here with the highlights that are provided. So enable customers to schedule their store pickup delivery with ease. One solution for all businesses. And then we can read more about the actual highlights. So you're going to have different setup for local delivery, pickup, and shipping. Limit orders per slot. That's going to be very easy to set up. Set cutoff preparation time, blackout date, minimum order value, and also zip code check. So this is going to also be great to filter the dates and times that you're available in. Product-wise, preparation time, fulfillment type, availability, blackout dates, manage multiple locations. I think this is going to depend on the actual plan that you want to pick for it, but we are going to discuss that in a bit. Delivery days by zip, postcode, and language translations is provided as well. Delivery rates by zip code, postal code, product weight, cart value, time slot, or even just the product, not product weight. Now when it comes to the pricing plans that it has to offer, it actually starts for free, which is going to be great for new stores, and it's going to have no limit for development stores. So if you're using a free trial, this is going to be great for you to test things out before committing to any of the following plans. But if you need more to set up, you can just start with the starter plan here, which is $9.99 a month, and go up to premium, which is going to be $24.99 a month. And for each one of them is going to have a 14-day free trial that you can access. Now, I'm just going to have you pause the video right now, compare the different options that each plan is going to provide you, and see which one is going to suit you best. Okay, next up we have Bird Pickup Delivery Date. Again, this is going to be another delivery app, much like the rest of them, but this is another one of the best apps out there. As you can see, the rating for it is actually 5 stars, and the developer is Bird Chime. So here we can see enable your customers to choose between in-store pickup, local delivery, and shipping. Not to mention we also have the date picker. As we can see here, add a local delivery in-store pickup date and time for, picker to your online store. Set cutoff time to or lead time, order preparation time for better fulfillment, much like the previous one as well, for better time management. Blackout dates, future to disable holidays or unavailable dates. So to set up your availability and manage in-store pickup, click and collect and local delivery orders with ease. So it's going to be very easy to manage the in-store pickups. Easily translate the calendar widget into multiple different languages, which is great for multilingual stores. Moving on, we are going to scroll down here and see the different plans that they have to offer. It does actually offer a free plan. And for the paid plans, you do get a 7-day free trial to test things out. For the free plan, you're going to get quite a lot here, as you can see. But obviously, it's not going to be, the best. You can always just feel free to upgrade to the essential one, which is $9.99 a month. Or if you want more, you can go to advanced or even premium for $29.99 a month. So again, pause the video if you are interested, see which one is going to be better for you when it comes to the different plans, and you can just go ahead and go for it. And remember, you have a free trial, so meaning you can test things out before committing to anything. Up next, we have estimated delivery date ETA, and again with a very high rating of 4.9 stars and by the developer Sync Track. And again, it's going to have the same main function, but could have more things about it. So let's just go in and find out ourselves. So lower shipping date inquiry, meaning, you're not going to have a lot of questions when it comes to shipping date because you have the date picker. Boost customer satisfaction with estimated delivery date time, which is obviously going to help out. Show delivery estimation based on shipping method, zip code, or country. Estimated delivery date for specific products, collections, or vendors. So you're going to have different filters, and each filter is going to have, specific estimated delivery date. Show estimated shipping date on product, cart, checkout pages, and order status pages. So people are going to be able to see it, throughout your entire store pretty much. Configure cutoff times like holidays and so on, like the previous ones. And also displays expected local delivery date and shipping date in visitors' time zones. So it's going to automatically understand where the customer is and translate it to their time zone pretty much. When it comes to the plans that they have, they do have a free plan, which is going to have unlimited view, unlimited synced products, one estimate rule, which is obviously not a lot. And then they also offer 24/7 support. For the rest of the plans, they do offer a free trial for each one of them. The standard one having a 3-day free trial, and the rest is going to have 7-day free trial. And you can obviously see the plans for yourself. Again, if you want to, you can feel free to pause the video and see which one is going to suit you best when it comes to price and when it comes to things that they have to offer. Lastly, we have Zapite or Zapiet pickup plus delivery. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it properly, but hopefully it's one of these two that I just tried. The developer name is the same and rating is very high. Offer shoppers with the option of in-store pickup and local delivery directly from your online purchases. Add store pickup and local delivery date picker. Easily manage local delivery zones, rates, and order limits. Effortlessly manage all your store pickups, local delivery, and shipping orders. And integrate with Shopify POS so you can coordinate pickup, delivery orders, and store. So this is going to be great. And you can also feel free to export orders to more formats here, as you can see. Now, when it comes to the pricing plans, they do also offer a free plan to test things out when it comes to smaller businesses. And then you can feel free to upgrade to essential, advanced, or even professional as you actually need. So you can, again, I say this, pause the video, read more about the different features that they have to offer for each plan, see which one is going to suit you and your business best, and go for it. So these are the different apps that I have for you today. I did actually create this table here for you to make things easier for you to understand. So we have the names of the different apps. We have pricing points and also highlights to showcase. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.